but then you also have acknowledged that you'll suck her d.
Correct. Absolutely.
How do you square that in your mind?
Man, this is a good one. I mean, I just truly like, I really just look at her like a woman, whether she has a dick or not. Personally, like, it even looks girly to me. You know what I mean?
Girly
It's
ass
different
dick.
than mine.
Right.
I got a big. My OnlyFans is called the Hung Plumber for a reason.
Right.
I'm f***ing hung as. She's got this tiny little thing from the hormones.
Well, yeah,
like,
the hormones make it small and make it
Yes.
like not get hard, right?
No, not at all. I literally.
if she's real
like,
turned on. If I get her real turned on, yeah.
You
Yeah.
might see it
You know,
poking up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see it through the dress.
That's f***ing high,
No,
bro. I love it.
Holy shit, I'm still learning. There's so many things I don't know about the trans relationship.